Guys, this is Peter Silma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. We're going to get a great profile shot of the boat here. This is the new Quantum Blue from Sea Ray. Really nice looking color. Making your way back of the boat, we have a white Mercury 250 Verado. Climbing up on our swim ladder there. At the back of the boat, obviously the first thing we're going to see is the gray faux teak flooring on our swim platform. This also carries throughout the entire boat up into the bow. In the cockpit and bow, it is like a snappable, so it's almost like your infinity wovens or your carpets. Awesome L-shaped seating here towards the back. Nice storage there. Obviously we'll have our cup holders here. We're going to have two USB ports there, a 12 volt as well. Really conveniently located insulated storage box right there. Put your drinks there when you're hanging out. Interesting setup here with the back seat. We have it folded outward so we can hang out here at the swim platform, but it will fold back this way if we are in the cockpit. Grab this button there. And now we just have more room inside. Really kind of depends where you're sitting on the boat. Inside the cockpit, we have a white sports tower. This will open up, obviously giving you some coverage from the sun. All right, when you are anchored up and you want to have some more seating, this is a 25-foot boat. There's a ton of seating in this boat. All right. Didn't highlight it. This is the stone interior color from Sea Ray, lighter gray with a darker gray inlay. At our helm, thigh-high bolster, our articulating steering wheel here, big Simrad display there. Obviously, all of our switching for our anchor lights, more USBs there. Again, just tons of spot for your phone. Obviously, our throttles, Fusion stereo remote. In the head compartment, very, very spacious head. We actually have the cushion options in there. So right to the left of the head there is a pad that will fold down and you can kind of lean that over the top of your head there and kind of lay down, get out of the elements if you want, if you have small kids. Because we have such a large head down there, we do have a port side walkthrough, obviously going up towards the bow. Ton of seating up here. Obviously, we're going to have more cup holders, more lighting. We are going to have a cooler right there. I believe this boat, you do have a bow table. I believe you also have a cockpit table as well, so you do have two. All right. Again, just more storage on both sides. Finally, our bow ladder. Great access on and off the boat if you are beached up. It's a great spot to get on and off. All right, guys, again, 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.